Okay, I'm gonna show you two quick tips today. The first one is using the your router plane as a marking gauge. A lot of you may know to do this trick, but it works pretty well. And this joint I'm making here is a half lap, and it's going to be an overhanging joint. Let me just cut this out of the way quick. Okay, and after you've loosened up your stuff, just use a chisel to pop the waste out. And I'm going to take a little bit more out before we bring the router plane in. This works if it's a closed half lap too, but for our purposes, we're going to show this with the open one. Now, my big tip here is using, instead of setting the router here and trying to cut towards your work and just pulling it, using the router plane in a compass motion. So you put your weight down on the inside with one hand and then slowly coming along in a radius motion, remove the waste while keeping it flat against the other side. If you have a real small plane like a Stanley 72.5, I think that's what mine is, may not work as well. But if you have a big one like this one that I built, and we have plans for this, we will pin that in the comments. It works really well. And there we go. And right, just like that, I've got a nice flat bottom to my joint, and it fits nice and flat. I'll clean up the edge and that'll fit good, and boom. Much easier than trying to saw it. So there you have a nice quick tip and trick. I'll bounce that camera.